Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale. It's November 15th. We had a very quiet session in the grains today. We did end up closing lower, though, for corn, beans, and wheat. Corn down about 4.5 cents. Beans down 17. Wheat down about 3.25. December corn traded less than 100,000 contracts today, with beans trading less than, or right about 70,000 contracts. This is extremely light from what we've seen over the last several days. Guys are anticipating and waiting to see what happens here as far as export sales tomorrow. Can we finally see some demand at these levels? We've seen beans drop back quite a bit. Corn has dropped back quite a bit. And same thing with wheat. But is that enough to get some demand back in here? We'll have to see here tomorrow. Now, we did have another sale of bean oil today, 132,000 tons to unknown. This is the second purchase here that we've seen in as many days. So we are starting to see some demand there that may support these beans here at lower levels. But we've got some good support at the weekly lows down near that 1390 level for beans. And corn, really that sharp dip that we had last time down at 705. These are going to be areas that guys are going to be watching very closely. Now, as we go through the end of this week and get into next week, we've got a shortened week next week. We probably will see this quiet trade continue. But the seasonality of things is that we do have a tendency of seeing the market sell off as we get closer to Thanksgiving. So keep us in mind, give us a call. We'll let you know where things are at that point. But looking at some of the outside markets today, the dollar up 2 cents. Crude oil dropping back about 85. Now that puts crude oil at 85.45. It has found this nice little range that it has been in, but the overall outcome yet for crude oil, the trends have shifted a little bit, and if we do take out some of these support levels, we could see a very sharp drop yet, or a pretty sharp drop down below the $80 level once again. But we've got to be able to take these support levels out. Right now, we're just in a sideways trend. Stock market, though, back and forth trade. We are lower at this point, down about 18 points. We have to continue to watch that. We've seen a sharp decline over the last few weeks, and the market attitude is certainly negative, and we're seeing this more money flow coming out of the market versus investors putting money in. That could affect a lot of these markets here as we move forward into the holiday week. As far as the livestock, fat cattle up about 20 cents today, 125.60. Box beef coming in a little bit lower. Choice down 19, select down $1.15. But no cash cattle trading today. Guys are waiting to see what this cattle on feed report looks like tomorrow. And we're going to have to do the same. So I expect to see some choppy trade yet tomorrow. But we'll see what this report has to say as well. As far as the hogs, unchanged today. 80.10 for that December contract. We have seen the cash markets come off of their highs and continue to stay in some trouble, but yet we're not seeing these futures budge just yet either. So overall today, not just in the livestock, but in the grains as well, very light trade. I expect this again here tomorrow, so I look for the overnight markets maybe to chop around, but no major movements here overnight. Give us a call over here with the questions that you have at 800-262-7538, or check us out online at allendale-inc.com. I hope you had a great day today. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care.